Welcome. If you're looking to make your Roblox experience smoother and a bit quieter, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable haptics in Roblox on your mobile device. Whether you find the vibrations distracting or just want to save a little battery life, turning off haptics is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, grab your mobile device and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, from this menu, find and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience to fit your preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Device Preferences. Tap on it to open up even more settings specifically for your device. Now, scroll down through the device preferences until you find the option labeled Haptics. Haptics are the vibrations your device makes during certain actions in Roblox, like jumping or taking damage. If you want to turn these off, all you need to do is toggle the switch next to Haptics to the off position. And that's it. You've successfully disabled haptics in Roblox on your mobile device. No more unexpected vibrations while you're playing your favorite games. If you ever want to turn haptics back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to on. It's that simple. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Enjoy your smoother, quieter gaming experience, and I'll see you in the next video.